What's going on, ChavezzSlovakia? It's your boy Chavez here, slightly improving on my webcam shenanigans, and I'm very excited about it. I think I finally have optimized my look. Okay, so this is dark background, right? Ready? Boom. Game Boy Tacos. Also, shout out to the artist that did this. Skitten's got the link. I'll put her link in the description down below. Make sure you order this from an artist. I think that she met from the channel. Maybe not. I don't know. But she's very nice. I'm going to order some more crazy stuff. But the Game Boy Taco background has served me very well. So on to some other news before we get to some memes. We've had some rainstorms. Pretty bad ones in Vegas, actually, the past couple of days. It rained again today. And I've been loving it. Overall, it's been fantastic, right? It's been so nice having rain here finally, consistently. Because once it just rains once, it gets so humid, it's actually unbearable. But continuous rain for a couple of days, super, super nice. And during this, we've actually had thunderstorms too, and the Stratosphere actually got struck by lightning, which took me a long time to find an actual video of it.
Your mouth and run me like a river. Shut your
Damn!
baby, stand your mouth and
That's so good. The other ones were like not as good. And I don't even know why some of these people are recording. I think it happened multiple times, and people had time to get their phones up and stuff. But that's actually pretty dope. I have a video of it hailing here too. A couple weeks ago, I have a video of the hail. I'll put that up like another vid. But let's get into it, man. Also, the other vids I shot on webcam, I think I'm just gonna upload to my gaming channel and then just pretend like they never existed, because I hate them that much. Let's do it. Play. Oh shit!
I was just he stopped.
He did stop.
Ah! He didn't stop. Yes. Oh. Please stop. Please. Bro, what is wrong? Are you okay? Bro, what did you eat? That cannot be natural. Stop. Hold it in or something. If you hold it in long enough, maybe those come back up your mouth or something. That's probably better, right? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh. Hell yeah, human tubes. This is the future. The future. Please stop. Oh! Corky butt. Who did that? Did you do that?
Nothing.
Hey!
Oh.
All right, that was kind of funny. He's not hurting himself, right? Doing that? Looks like he's fine. Damn. Damn. Bop. Bop. If you guys have used those water bottles, right? They're the unspillable. You have to squeeze it really hard to break the seal from the inside. So he's just squeezing it back at the cat. The cat's like, fuck that. I'm gonna win this. Can't stop me. Jehovah's Witness BMX. I don't know why I thought he was gonna land that if it's in a meme compilation. Dude, you have to stop them from doing that is what I was going to say. Oh, my God. Oh, that's pretty good. Hello, guinea pig. Yeah. Yo, what's happening? Wow. Wow.
People want some bars, homie. I'll start you off, alright?
Ooh. Never mind, it's great. I take it back. It's great. It's fantastic. It's the best thing. I want a whole album. Please tell me it's baseball. Hell yeah.
You feel good? Yeah? Ricky? And smell?
Whoa. That looked kind of fucked up, right? Kind of like the cat's punching down at this point. That,
Beep.
man, unstoppable though.
Beep. 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 Come check this. Come check this.
Yeah. We've all had those days, man. Wow. Oh my God.
Squirrel.
Jesus. Hi. Alright. That's pretty dope. That's pretty good. I like that. I like that your cat figured this out, bro.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? Wakey, wakey, it's time for school.
No, that's messed up. There's a lot of animal-based memes in this, actually. I like it. Whoa!
And I love you, Daddy.
Wow. Wow. Peekaboo. It's cute.
No, 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 no. ¿Ese es tu sentado? No.
Pizza Rat! It's back. Oh, is that it? Wow, that seemed like that was really fast, actually. Man. Huh. Well, you know, here we are. ChavezzSlovakia back at it again. I think it's cool you guys keep coming back here. Time after time. Chilling. I wonder if we ever need to do more than that anytime soon, but right now I think I'm happy with this. Shot some Internet Historian videos with Skitten. I think we're all caught up on that finally, unfortunately. We're starting some more SCP videos, so if you guys are interested in those, leave some comments about those, because we'll have some SCP content coming up. And besides that, that's it. I'll holler at you guys. Peace.